Hello viewers, are you looking for the Lenovo IdeaPad 3? Then you are exactly in the right place. If you are looking for a lot of value in your portable, look no further than the best Lenovo laptops. No matter what kind of device you are looking for, there's something from Lenovo that will fit the bill. From an affordable Chromebook to a capable gaming laptop, there are a number of devices that will meet just about any price point, form factor, and type. Even when it comes to business laptops, you'll find a worthy Lenovo portable to consider. These laptops are fully featured, well-designed, and gorgeous devices that can go head-to-head with the competition when it comes to performance. Here you will find our top choices for the best Lenovo laptops of 2021. We have collected our top picks to help you find the right one for you. Whether you are in the market for a reasonably priced portable for school, a gaming laptop to play the newest games, or a productivity machine to help you work from home, whatever notebook you go with, make sure to take a look at our included price comparison tool as well so you can score the best laptop deal. Now that Black Friday and Cyber Monday are fast approaching, you should start seeing some great Black Friday laptop deals on your next Lenovo laptop. We have got your tech covered. Read on for our top 5 Lenovo IdeaPad 3. For more detail, visit the links given in description. To keep in touch with us, you need to subscribe our channel and also press the bell for further updates of videos. Must like, share, and comment on this video. Now let's start. Number 5. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Detachable. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Detachable, in short, a better version of the Surface Pro 7. It has the same detachable form factor and uses a kickstand that can rotate to about the same 160-degree angle. The 12.3-inch display is almost identical to the one on the Surface, and, like the Pro 7, the detachable keyboard is fantastic. You even get military-grade durability from its rigid chassis. Specifications: CPU works with Intel Core i5 G7. GPU is Intel Iris E. Total RAM is 16 GB. Total storage is 512 GB. Display is 12.3-inch, 1920 x 1280 pixel. Total weight is 1.7 pounds. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Detachable is, in short, a better version of the Surface Pro 7. It has the same detachable form factor and uses a kickstand that can rotate to about the same 160-degree angle. The 12.3-inch display is almost identical to the one on the Surface, and, like the Pro 7, the detachable keyboard is fantastic. You even get military-grade durability from its rigid chassis. Why is it better than the Surface Pro 7 and Pro 7 Plus? Because the ThinkPad X1 Detachable lasts longer on a charge, enduring for more than 11 hours, and it weighs slightly less than its magnesium alloy competitor. Better yet, the X1 Detachable comes bundled with the keyboard and pen. Although you will need to spend a pretty penny on this business-focused detachable. If you need good speakers or a USB type of port, then you might go with the Surface Pro 7. Otherwise, we prefer the X1 Detachable. And number 4. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga Gen 6. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga Gen 6 might be expensive, but it is well worth the price of entry. It is a feature-rich 2-in-1 machine with a fantastic 16:10 screen, a garage stylus, and a number of security-related add-ons. And, thanks to the latest generation Intel processors, Intel Z graphics, and Evo certification, it is a powerhouse as well. It might not be the most gorgeous portable out there, and an SD card slot would have been appreciated. But the X1 is an otherwise stellar machine that will keep up with just about any user. Specifications: CPU is Intel Core i5 G7 CPU. GPU is Iris E. RAM size is 16 GB. Storage size is 512 GB SSD. Display is 14-inch, 1920 x 1200 pixel. Total weight is 3 pounds. We still love the signature matte black carbon fiber found on most ThinkPads, but the aluminum and magnesium ThinkPad X1 Yoga is a gorgeous change of pace. Not only does it have a slim design, but this convertible 2-in-1 flaunts a bright display and offers a best-in-class keyboard and long battery life. These combine to make the best Lenovo laptop for anyone who is looking for a convertible. You also get loads of extra goodies, like a built-in stylus slot and webcam cover. We love the ThinkPad X1 Carbon for its super lightweight chassis, but you should definitely get the Yoga instead if you want to use a stylus or prefer a convertible design. Number 3. Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. Lenovo is not just known for its productivity portables. Some of the best Lenovo laptops sit in the gaming territory, as well. Take the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, the nearly perfect gaming laptop, whose incredible performance is matched only by that gorgeous QHD IPS screen with up to 500 nits of brightness, Dolby Vision, and up to a 165 Hz refresh rate. It also boasts excellent hardware controls, admirable battery life, and a full-size keyboard. This laptop is not just among the best in its class. True to the brand, it's reasonably priced as well, making it a much better value than the competition. Specifications: CPU works with Ryzen 7 5800H CPU. GPU is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070. Total RAM is 16 GB. Total storage is 512 GB SSD. Total weight is 5.4 pounds. Lenovo's Legion 5 Pro proves what is possible when two opposing forces come together for the greater good. Those forces are AMD and NVIDIA, and the greater good is the gaming community. Armed with an AMD Ryzen 7 5800 CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics, the Legion 5 Pro gives gamers the power they need to run the latest AAA titles at ultra graphics settings. What it lacks in flashy aesthetics, it makes up for with a gorgeous 16-inch QHD display, an exceptional keyboard and touchpad, plenty of ports, and outstanding performance from the 1-2 punch of an AMD CPU and NVIDIA GPU. And despite harnessing so much power, the Legion 5 Pro delivers respectable battery life at more than 6 hours on a charge. This is, without question, Lenovo's best gaming laptop for the money. Number 2. Lenovo Yoga 9i. The Lenovo Yoga 9i comes with a pretty stylish chassis matched by pretty impressive specs. And by pretty, we actually mean truly. Nothing less would be worthy of our coveted 5-star review rating. That Intel Evo certification alone makes it worth checking out. And when you do, you will appreciate its powerful 11th gen processor, IRC integrated graphics, fast RAM, and up to 1 TB PCIe SSD of storage. It also comes with a Lenovo Active Pen so you can fully utilize the 2-in-1 design, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, and a fingerprint reader for easy login. Specifications: CPU is up to 11th generation Intel Core i7. Graphics is Intel IRC. RAM size is up to 16 GB LPDDR4x 4267 MHz. Screen up to 14-inch with touchscreen. Storage is up to 1 TB PCIe SSD. Connectivity feature available like Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1 camera, 720 HD. The successor to the excellent Yoga C940, the Lenovo Yoga 9i takes a proven formula and refines it, as you would expect from a Yoga series laptop. The Yoga 9i has a premium, ultra-portable chassis and a unique hinge that doubles as a rotating soundbar speaker. As a 2-in-1, that hinge can rotate 360 degrees to convert the Yoga 9i into a tablet, so you can watch movies without a keyboard in the way. When it comes to viewing content, the Yoga 9i's 1080p display is crisp, vibrant, and bright. For all the basics it gets right. My favorite things about the Yoga 9i are its extra features, which include a webcam cover, a slot for the improved Active Pen, and a fingerprint sensor. Unfortunately, there's no IR camera. Number 1. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 9. The Lenovo X1 Carbon Gen 9, an amazing laptop. Not only is it a fantastic ultrabook, but it is also a quality business laptop. And, just like all the previous generations, this laptop seems to do everything right. It is a fully featured and powerful machine that is also slim, lightweight, and stylish. It also comes with the kind of battery life that will get you through a full workday and more. And, though it is not ideal for creative projects, it handles productivity tasks like a pro. Thanks to that 11th gen Intel Core CPU and Intel IRC graphics, not to mention at least 8 GB of RAM. On top of that, it is Evo certified so you know it's a quality machine, not to mention brimming with security features. Specifications: CPU is 11th gen Intel Core i5 Core i7. GPU is IRC. Total RAM is 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB. Storage size is 256 GB, 512 GB 1 TB SSD. Total weight is 2.5 pounds. Lenovo made several welcome changes to the 9th gen edition of its flagship business model. On top of fast performance from 11th gen Intel CPU, you get epic battery life, powerful quad speakers, a new 14-inch display, and plenty of ports, all in an impossibly lightweight chassis. but it is still those classic ease. We wish the ThinkPad X1 Carbon had not ditched the SD card reader in the previous and top configurations can get very expensive, but you would be hard-pressed to find a better overall business machine. Lenovo's our top-rated laptop brand for good reason. The company offers an extensive product lineup with some of the best notebooks you can get from any manufacturer. Lenovo makes laptops for just about every type of user, from children in school to gamers and business executives. We have listed our favorite current Lenovo laptops above, but if you're doing research, it helps to know the difference between the company's major product lines. Please share, comment, and like video.